Ruth and Norman Rales Jewish Family Services is more than just South Palm Beach County's most comprehensive social service agency. We're family. And like family, we're always here for you when you need us. Families like yours are the heart and soul of our community, and every family needs a little help sometimes. So, Rales JFS provides community outreach through schools, camps, synagogues, and community-based organizations in order to bring our excellent quality programs and services to those that benefit from them, regardless of ability to pay. For families that are struggling, we offer a vast array of interrelated services to help support you in your time of greatest need. We support survivors of domestic abuse with safety planning, financial assistance, and emotional support, while also educating the next generation to recognize the signs of abuse. The Toby and Leon Cooperman Therapy and Family Resource Center offers a one-stop shop of support for children with varying needs and abilities and their families, including occupational, physical, speech, as well as ABA therapies. Always remember that your family is an important part of ours.
Rales JFS offers individuals and families in South Palm Beach a vast array of interrelated services. If you're here, you're one of us, and when you need us, we're here for you. Because that's what family's for.
Contact Rales JFS today and see what we can do for you. Ruth and Norman Rales Jewish Family Services. We are family.